Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best white shoes is probably one of the most essential items in anyone's wardrobe, especially when it comes to maintaining that pristine, fresh look for your favorite sneakers and footwear. However, keeping them immaculately white can be a constant battle against dirt, scuffs, and everyday wear, which is why a reliable whitening solution is not just a convenience but a necessity for anyone who values style and presentation. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This kit is perfect for a variety of materials, including fabric, leather, and even delicate suede and nubuck. Keep all your sneakers looking their best. The included bottle and brush make cleaning simple and effective. Achieve a brilliant shine with minimal effort. Especially effective on white shoes, it removes dirt and stains, restoring their original brightness. Say goodbye to scuffs and marks. Our formula is tough on dirt but gentle on your shoes. It ensures a thorough clean without causing damage. Invest in the longevity of your footwear. This kit is your go-to solution for all your shoe cleaning needs. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for all your shoe cleaning needs. It's designed to work on various materials, ensuring no shoe is left behind. If you have a diverse collection of footwear and want a single, reliable product to maintain them all, this is the one for you. What people say. The gel is easy to use and effectively whitens shoes. It works on various shoe materials, restoring their original look. The cleansing gel removes tough stains without damaging the shoe fabric. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Facial Cleanser. Discover a new level of clean with our gentle facial cleanser. It's specifically formulated to be safe and effective, even for the most sensitive skin types. Experience the perfect balance of hydration and cleansing. This daily face wash effectively removes impurities while keeping your skin moisturized. Infused with essential ingredients like niacinamide and ceramides, it helps to restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. Feel the difference as it nourishes your complexion. Enjoy a pure and refreshing cleansing experience. Our fragrance-free formula ensures comfort and avoids irritation, making it ideal for daily use. This hydrating cleanser is the ideal choice for those with normal to dry skin. It effectively cleanses without stripping essential moisture, leaving your face feeling soft and supple. Trust in a product recommended for its gentle yet effective performance. It's designed to support your skin's health with every wash. What we like. This gentle cleanser is specifically formulated for sensitive skin, incorporating niacinamide and ceramides. It effectively cleanses without stripping natural moisture. If you have easily irritated skin or are looking for a daily face wash that is both effective and soothing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This product is very effective in removing dirt and stains from shoes, leaving them looking like new. The gel formula is easy to apply and work into the fabric, making the cleaning process quick and hassle-free. It works on various types of shoes, including leather, canvas, and synthetic materials, without causing any damage. Number 3. Markk Essential Kit. Introducing the Markk Essential Kit, your go-to solution for keeping your footwear looking its best. This comprehensive set is designed for deep cleaning and superior care. Experience the power of our deep cleaning solution, formulated to tackle dirt and grime effectively. It works wonders on all your favorite sneakers. The kit includes a durable brush, perfect for scrubbing away tough stains. Its bristles are designed to be gentle yet effective on various materials. Worry less about damage. This cleaner is safe for use on full-grain leather, rubber, plastic, and many other materials. It's ideal for all your footwear needs. Don't forget the midsoles. Our solution is specifically designed to clean and restore them, making your shoes look brand new. Keep your entire shoe pristine with this essential kit. What we like. Experience a deep clean with this essential kit, featuring a powerful cleaning solution and a durable brush. It's safe for a wide range of footwear materials, including leather and rubber. If you're serious about sneaker care and want professional-level results at home, this kit is ideal for maintaining your prized collection. What people say. The gel is easy to use and effectively whitens the shoes. It removes dirt and stains without damaging the shoe material. The product leaves the shoes looking like new. Number 2. Instant Sneaker Cleaner 10-pack. Introducing the Instant Sneaker Cleaner, your ultimate solution for spotless footwear. This premium kit is designed to keep your favorite shoes looking brand new. Our kit features a dual-sided sponge for effective cleaning on all types of sneakers. It's perfect for both men's and women's athletic shoes, including tennis shoes. The gentle rub design ensures a thorough clean without damaging your shoes. Enjoy a powerful cleaning action that restores their original shine. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt or tough stains, this cleaner works wonders. Keep your entire collection of sneakers looking fresh and vibrant. Get great value with our convenient 10-pack. You'll always have a cleaner on hand whenever your shoes need a quick refresh. What we like? These instant cleaner sponges offer a quick and easy way to refresh your sneakers on the go. Their gentle design ensures effective cleaning without damaging your shoes. If you need a fast solution for dirty shoes and appreciate convenience, especially when traveling or in a hurry, this multi-pack is perfect. What people say. This product is amazing. It whitened my shoes and made them look brand new. The cleansing gel is easy to use and effectively removes dirt and stains. I love how it restores the original color of my shoes without damaging the material. Number 1. KIWI Shoe Whitener 4 Fluid Ounces. Bring your favorite white shoes back to life. Our advanced formula is designed to make them look brand new again. Featuring an advanced polymer and whitening agent, this product is perfect for restoring older athletic footwear. Enjoy a smooth, even finish every time. It covers perfectly without leaving any chalky residue behind. Ideal for white leather shoes, but also effective on vinyl, canvas, and nylon. It's a versatile solution for many shoe types. The included sponge applicator makes it simple to apply. Just a few steps to achieve a fresh, clean look. Don't let scuffs and age dull your favorite sneakers. Renew their appearance with this powerful whitener. What we like? This whitener is formulated with an advanced polymer and whitening agent to restore older sports shoes. It provides an even coverage without streaks or chalky residue, specifically for white leather. If your white leather shoes are looking dull and you want them to appear like new again with minimal effort, this product is your go-to solution. What people say. This product is a game changer for keeping white shoes looking pristine. It effectively removes dirt and scuffs, restoring the original brightness. The cleansing gel has a pleasant, subtle scent and a good consistency that makes it easy to apply. It works well on various materials, including leather and canvas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.